Hey everyone! I've had a few people request having a video to show how to use PowerPoint with the sentence diagramming. So here you can see I've just opened up the week 3 sentence diagramming. What will happen is in the discussion board initial post, you'll see that there's links to both the Word document that you can print out and do the diagrams by hand or the PowerPoint document. So for this, if you'll notice, these are all text boxes, these parts up here of the sentence. So you can move them around, and then you have different kinds of lines that you can use right here. This one that looks like a little upside down Y is useful if you want to make a pedestal. You're not going to use the dotted line yet, we'll learn about that later, but mostly you're going to use this one. And so I make copies of these because you'll need a couple of these solid lines. So I just do Control C, Control V to copy and paste, and I usually do that for a couple of them so I have some different lines to work with. So if you were going to diagram this sentence, for example, you'd want to start by making that main line. So you just, in PowerPoint, need to just manipulate the lines by moving them and stretching them and that sort of thing. And then you'll want a horizontal line to separate, a vertical line to separate the subject and the verb. And then you can start moving your text boxes. So you just grab them, and we want to move story as the subject, so that'll be right there. Has been is the verb, so we'll put that there. If you were going to have a subjective complement like this one does, you could make that so it's slanted to show that. And then this one doesn't use a pedestal, but if you were going to use a pedestal, you could use this line here, make it a bit smaller, and then take a horizontal line like that to then put your prepositional phrase up here. So in PowerPoint, it's a lot of having to turn things and copy things and manipulate the lines, but because this whole sentence is all in text boxes, that should make it a lot easier for you to be able to move the words around and make your diagram from that. So if you choose to use this, then hopefully you know now a little bit more about how to do it in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.